Hello, Launchpad X team. My name is Fisayo Joseph Ileson, and I'm the founder and CEO of Yumlev Business Concepts. A passionate entrepreneur. Yumlev Business Concepts is an African consumer goods company where we are focused on transforming locally sourced agricultural produce such as groundnut, cocoa into high-valued products. We started our flagship product with Yumlev Nutty Bites, which is made organically from groundnut and other flavored products to meet the modern day consumer needs. The problem we're actually solving is one that affects many African countries, because we discovered that locally sourced agricultural produce are produced, and they have low income when they are transported because the value addition to some of those products are not there. And then our consumers, of course, we know that Africa is a young continent because of the populations of the young people that we have there. And then most of the times they want products that are healthy, they want products that are affordable, and they want products that that meet the market standards. And oftentimes some of these young people, they turn to products that are imported, that are not African, that does not speak about our culture, locally sourced products that we can, add value to it and then make it good for consumers. I mean, daily consumers to be able to eat, and people who are health conscious. This is the reason why we came with our first flagship product, which is Yumlev Nutty Bites, which is locally sourced from groundnut, and then we flavored it with other ingredients that can make it, good for consumers, especially people who are health conscious, people who want products that are affordable, and the ones that also reflect our culture. Primary customers are young professionals, students, urban consumers, retailers, resellers, distributors, even supermarket owners. We have validated our market through our expansions, through our trade fair events, conferences, stand-up, all of those events has been one of the things that helps us to validate our market for the demand for this product. And then we've been able to sell about 4,000 units across Ekiti, Ondo State, Lagos. And this has helped us to build a wider range of our products and services. At Yumlev, we're not just building a snack brand, we're building a platform that demonstrates how agricultural produce can be transformed into high-value consumer products that can be exported to other parts of the country or even other parts of the African countries. And then we are demonstrating this to be able to create jobs, employment for young people, to empower young people. And I believe that this Launchpad X community will be able to create and bring this vision into the next level. I'd like to participate in Launchpad X because I believe that we're at a critical stage where we want to scale and grow our business based on high demands of our products, across various states. And we believe that through this opportunity, we'll be able to network with young entrepreneurs, we'll be able to get access to fundings that can help us to scale our products and services across where the demand of our products is currently, or that we have currently. We also need funding for semi-automated equipment that can help us to meet the demand of our products across all of the areas where we've been asking that our product is being asked for currently. And so we believe that through this Launchpad X program, we'll be able to get the right sorts of systems, structures that we can put in place to be able to scale our products even to other African countries and even the states, other states and beyond. Thank you.